Hello everyone, this is KC868. This video I will show you our dimmer. This is dimmer controller. We have made the new firmware that is 4.3.4. This version we have added many functions. You can see this is list about 11 items of the update. So I will one by one tell you what is the new functions in the new firmware. And we can see the first one, the dimmer. We have added the 8-channel dimmer control by web page. What this means, now you can open the IP for this dimmer, and you can see I can log in with username and the password. But now also we have these options. This is for dimmer control panel. If you click these options, you can log in and you will see this is dimmer, 8 dimmer for changing the brightness. Like the first one, I have connected the lamp. This is a 220 volt lamp controlled by this SSR. This is analog SSR. You can see I can change the brightness from this bar and close and open and change the brightness. And also this is channel 2. You can see I have not connected with channel 2. There are red LED that will be on and off and change the brightness by this bar. And now I have only take example for the channel 1 output. And this is the first function. And the second, it supports HTTP command, integrates the third-party software to change brightness and read the output brightness. This is HTTP command. So you can see the document on our web page. You can see this software document, and this 31, this is D8, dimmer control HTTP, MQTT, TCP, and IS-485 protocol. Just click, and you will see how to do development for the protocol to your own software or your server. Like by the HTTP command, you can read the dimmer state, every channel dimmer state, and change every channel output of the brightness by the password. And this is MQTT command. It's great for Node-RED or for Home Assistant. And this is the TCP command that is use stream, Ansi-String. It's easy to understand. This up to you. Change which way to integrate to your own software. And this is the IS-485 command. This command is seen as a network. It's simply. And this is 2 support HTTP command. And 3, we have added the web config password. Just when you log in, you can see I can log in, and there is the option. This is the password, login password. This is admin, and this is the post password. That is for HTTP command. You can see the HTTP command. Every command will have this post password. This post password set by the network setting at this item, and this is for login. Okay, the first RS-485 address just can set by the web page, not use command. You can see the web page, and this is RS-485 slave address. You can input from 1 to 99, so you can connect with our dimmer. For the max is 99 picks. You can connect with 1 bus line. And the 5 support MQTT function. This is very important so that you can integrate for many third-party software. Like Home Assistant, you can see this is my Home Assistant. I have already integrated the 8-channel dimmer. You can see I can control the dimmer brightness at here, and change the brightness for the channel number 1. And this is my mobile phone Home Assistant application. You can see I can change the brightness on mobile phone. Change the brightness, and the computer website will update the state. And also, if I use the Home Assistant, you can see I use the remote to reduce the brightness, increase the brightness, it will be changed, and reduce the brightness. And it also will be update the state. This is change the state and update for the state. And also I can use this wall switch and hold down the button. It will be brightness up. You can see this is update. Okay, this is for the 5 function support the MQTT. And about the MQTT integration, you can see our document. And also you can see the knowledge and the Home Assistant. And you can see we have update the KC868 D8 integration Home Assistant by MQTT. You just click this article. And you will see the details, how to integrate the Home Assistant and connect with the Mosquito MQTT block, and the configuration of the YAML file of Home Assistant. And this is a demo we have right, and this is a dashboard. Okay, this is a MQTT function. And the 6th, we have add option configure web page that you can choose whether remember the state before power off and the demo state when the power on will auto recover. Just you can see this. You can see this option. Remember last date. You can choose yes or no. If you choose no, that will not auto recover the state before the power off. So this is the remember function. You can enable or disable by yourself. And now we can see the 7. The 7 is also very important. We added the function of the 1-key work mode, and before is 2-key work mode. What this means, you can see there is an option. This is 2-key. The 2-key means every one channel, just like this one channel lamp, I need 2 buttons to control the brightness up and brightness down. If I quick click this button, this is brightness down, is off. If I quick click this brightness up, is off, is on. So that is for on and off. And if I hold on, not remove my finger, it will be, you can see it slowly become off. And if I hold on the up button, it will be slowly become brightness up. So this is for 2-key mode. And now you can see I can change to 1-key mode. So because the 2-key mode, you need 2 lines connect with the 2 input points. If you use 1-key mode, you just only use 1 line as a common just need. But every channel output, you just use 1 line. Just use 1 button for changing the brightness, and also will be loop. So I will show you what's this function. We can change it to no and 1 key. And we can save and wait reboot. Now we can go to the web page again, confirm. This is 1 key. So you can see now I can press the button, this button is up. I can press this button and not remove my hand. And you can see the brightness is up and down and up and down. Just always loop. So you can use 1 button to change the brightness, change the on, off, on, off, on, off. When you can remove your hand just for stop and stay the level. And if you click, if the lamp is on, that will be off. If now the lamp is off, I can click quickly, that will be on. So this button, if you quickly just for on, off, and change the state on, off. Just hold on will change the brightness, and the short click will be on and off. Okay, this is 7. And the 8, that means we can send a broadcast signal to find the device. That means we can use this synchronous scan device toy. You can see I can start monitor, and we can click scan. Then you can find the dimmer, dimmer 8, its IP and port, and the UID you will find in these toys. So that will be easy to find and list all your Kinkonik controller in this item list. So this is for install, and work for install will be easier than before. And the 9, we have improvement the stable of the anti-interference. That is for Ethernet. Let Ethernet more stable. That's just a function. And the 10 is also important. We have added threshold settings. Adjust the startup % option of every channel output. What this means, I also can tell you. This is the threshold for 8 channel, and you can see if I turn on the lamp, you can see when I change it from 0 to 19, the lamp is not work. You can see when the brightness is changed to 30%, you can see there is a little become on, only a little. What this means, because the SSR will have a startup voltage. This voltage is not begin 0.1 or a little volt can't work. Now you can see the % is 26. I can use my eyes. I see the lamp, a little light become light. Maybe the camera is not very clearly. So we can input the 26 for the channel 1. Because so that we can change the brightness quickly, and we'll skip this level, and we can save and wait restart. Can log in and confirm. This is 26, and now you can see I close the lamp and I click this level. You can see there will be on. You can see the color, and because you can see now the number is 3%, and I go on, and now you can see this is 8%. The lamp is become up. Your eyes can see it. I can go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, and the lamp will become brightness up. So you can see this level we have skipped. So you can use a mobile phone, or you can use on your PC. Controlling this bar, a good experience. So this is a function of a threshold. So you can set the 8 channel individually, because every different load and every different SSR will have the different value for the load. So you can according to your setting, and you can experiment, change the value up and down, and find a good value for your load is okay. Okay, now we can see the last one. The 11 is we can support the update firmware by network cable. This dimmer, you can also not only by RS485 by serial port to update the firmware, and also you can use the Ethernet cable to update. We have write the Ethernet update toys, just these toys. You just input your computer IP, and your board IP always is fixed on this static IP. before you power on. You can see just step 1 connect, and step 2 detect, and step 3 open the firmware file, and step 4 download. So you can see some message at this window and how to download. And this is the advantage of the new firmware and the main functions. If you have interest in, you can update the firmware, and have any questions, you can leave a message to us. We will help you. Okay, thanks for watching.